We're all wearing masks right now. Even though the vaccines are rolling out, we're going to be in them for just a little bit longer. And we all see these really pretty blue medical masks, but there isn't any reason to not also have some that are fun, that match you, to wear out to dinners when you see friends. So many options these days. These are from Maskc. They're also paper, they expand, they come in a ton of colors, they're incredibly comfortable. A friend of mine does leather bags and she makes these leather beautiful ones as well. But some of my favorites are from St. John's, like this beautiful raspberry one. There's actually a pocket in here you could put an extra filter in. St. John's has really thought this through. So, I don't know, I have a whole wardrobe of masks. Some of them are for every day, some of them are for going out to dinner. So many masks, so many options. They could represent your personal style.